slice. Every bite is very nice. Take what you need, eat what you take. Don't waste food for goodness sake. Food is special, yes it is. Let's take care, let's take care.
For this year's International Waste Day, yes, our theme is food waste. Yes, food waste. So now we are going to learn some really interesting things about food waste. Yes, before we learn about not wasting food, let's talk about where food comes from. Do you know? I'm sure you do. Yes, food comes from farmers. They plant tiny seeds in the ground. Then they water them and then the sun helps them grow. And after a long time, sometimes weeks or months, we get food. Yes, that's a lot of work, right? Right? I know. So, when we throw food away, we are throwing away all that hard work. Every year on March 30th, people all around the world learn how to take care of the earth by wasting less. Now it's time for a story. Are you ready? Okay, get cozy. Alright, once upon a time, there was a banana called Benny. Benny was bright, yellow, and happy. He lived in a fruit bowl with his friends. An apple, an orange, and some grapes. One day, Benny started to get little brown spots. He looked at himself and said, "Oh no, I have brown spots. Does this mean I am going in the trash?" The apple said, "Don't worry, Benny. Brown spots just mean you are getting sweeter." But Benny was still worried. Then a little girl walked into the kitchen. She saw Benny the banana and said, "Ooh, a banana with brown spots. Perfect for banana bread." Wonderful. So she peeled Benny, mashed him up, mixed him with flour and sugar and eggs, and put him in the oven. And guess what happened? Benny became delicious banana bread. Yes, he did. The whole family ate him and said, "Yum, yum, yum. This is the best banana bread ever." That's exciting. Benny didn't get thrown away. He became something new and yummy. Amazing. And you know what? You can do that at home too. If you have a banana with brown spots, please don't throw them away. So you see, leftover food can become new food. So, when we waste less food, we help the earth stay healthy and happy. Yes, we do. Happy International Day of Zero Waste, celebrated every March 30th. Bye-bye.